Hi Claire, John here. I'm hoping what I show you here will help you out fixing any other issues you have with your spreadsheet. I'm not too sure what you know for coding, so if I'm too simplistic or too technical, I apologize. The spreadsheet works like a grid. So each cell here has a label. So it's a column and the row. So this would be D10. That cell will be labeled as D10. Now, your spreadsheet here has three different types of commands. The first one we're going to talk about is setting up the header. What we've set up here is that whatever I write in this cell here, D2, will show up in D8. And I achieve that by putting equals D2. Ignore the dollar signs for now. Get rid of them and they would give you the same result. There, get rid of that, return, and it gives you the same result. So, but that's your first command. So what it tells you is whatever you put in this particular cell here shows up here. The next kind of command you have is a sum command. So what that tells you to do, or the cell to do, is to add up everything in this particular column underneath, from cell D10, which is here, to D100, which is down here. So anything that's in there, I'll add up and put into this particular cell right there. And this one is the if and then command. One of them was that you had issues with. All that is, okay, C10. So if C10 is equal to, we'll say it's equal to 1 this time. Okay, and press return. So it shows me here, if C10 is equal to 1, then we enter that amount in. If it's not equal to 1, then it's a blank. So, and that's achieved by, if C10 is equal to 1, B10 is, if it's true, it's B10. If it's false, we just put two quotation marks and it's false. Remember that all the quotations, or I should say punctuation marks and brackets and all that, equal signs, they're all important. The program won't work otherwise. Hope this helped. If you have any issues or questions, call me. I'll be more than happy to help. Thanks. Bye.